Every motorist wants to secure the lowest possible insurance cover, but the problem is how to do so without compromising the quality of the insurance coverage. But there are ways to secure cheap car insurance without necessarily affecting the extent of the protection provided. The importance of securing low insurance premiums rests on the fact that an automobile is not just an expensive item to buy, but to maintain and keep on the road too. Paying less for insurance is one way to keep the cost of having a car down, and ease the financial burden that can exist in other quarters. But how can a motorist secure car insurance that is lower in cost and still excellent in coverage? Well, there are several things that can be done, from choosing your insurance company carefully to identifying the best discounts out there. Choose your insurance company carefully. As is often the case with loans, many people think that the best deals are to be found with the largest companies. But the internet has helped people realize that cheap car insurance, like low-cost loans, is available from some of the smaller insurance companies. This is usually because the overhead smaller companies have to deal with are less, so they can afford to offer better terms. What is more, since they are competing with major corporations, they must offer something better to attract customers. This means securing low insurance premiums is more likely when dealing with online companies. However, the true value of their offers is reflected in the discounts available. A smaller insurance company is likely to offer larger premiums initially, but look at how their discount system can be of benefit. The car insurance can prove lower over 3 or 4 years. Consider policy restrictions. Sometimes what seems like an excellent deal turns out not to be. When it comes to getting cheap car insurance, the premium does not necessarily mean that the cost of maintaining and protecting your vehicle is lower. This is because a lower price brings with it certain restrictions that insurance companies say do not entitle the insured to a payout. It is essential that the details of any insurance policy are examined, and any restrictions are considered carefully before deciding on the best insurance quote. It also means that securing low insurance premiums requires more than just looking at the overall price. Elements to watch out for include what incidents are not covered by the policy, and how likely these incidents are to occur. For example, is it worth excluding theft from the car insurance policy to save $50 when the car is left at home, unguarded 3 or 4 days per week? The finer details. There are a host of other smaller factors that need to be considered too, and which can help to secure a cheap car insurance policy. Some of the most obvious are the size and age of the vehicles in question, with older cars considered more likely to break down and potentially cause a traffic accident. Another is your established driving record. Having a clean record immediately means the premium will be smaller, but securing low insurance premiums can also be helped by taking regular driving refresher courses, and avoiding getting a speeding or parking ticket. Also, discounts are available to students with high grades, if the principal driver is female, and when extra security items are purchases, like an immobilizer for the steering wheel. When these factors are added, the car insurance premium can be adjusted downwards. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.